Hello and a culinary salute. My name is Wolfgang Schmelcher, and today I'm going to talk about the role of assessment in professional cooking. Levi Feldman describes the broad nature of the term assessment is evident in two primary functions, which was originally defined by Scriven in 1967 as summative and formative. Summative assessment certifies students' achievement and ensures accountability within the education system. Formative assessment of students is designed to provide ongoing feedback to enhance learning and teaching. The role of assessment in professional cooking. Well, welcome to the dynamic world of hospitality, where the fusion of flavors and the art of presentation meet the science of assessment. You might wonder, how does assessment play into the kitchen? In the realm of professional cooking, assessments are not just a rite of passage. They're an ongoing, never-ending recipe for creativity and success. Assessment can be categorized into three distinct types: assessment of learning, for learning, and as learning. Each serves a unique purpose while ensuring that aspiring chefs can whip up not just dishes, but also skills that can last a lifetime. Assessment of learning is a classic exam scenario. Just think of a final tasting at a cooking school. Here you showcase your culinary skills and knowledge through practical and written exams and presentations. Imagine plating a perfect coq au vin while your grim instructors stand by, clipboard in hand, ready to rate your execution. How great that is. This form of assessment certifies and measures that learners have acquired essential techniques and memorized knowledge, ensuring they can move on to the next culinary challenge. Today's assessment methods extend far beyond merely distributing recipes, conducting traditional tests, or administering practical exams. God thanks. This is where assessment for learning comes to the forefront, emphasizing formative assessment, offering ongoing, respectful feedback, not like Gordon Ramsay, opportunities for reflection and peer review to help identify strengths as well as areas for improvement. Feed Forward plays a crucial role in formative assessment by providing students with specific guidance on how to improve their work before it is finalized. So unlike traditional feedback, which often focuses on what already has been done, Feed Forward looks ahead and helps learners understand the steps they can take to get better. Sadler et al. Quotes, effective feedback must answer three major questions. Where am I going? So what are the goals? How am I going? Or how am I doing? What progress is being made? And where to next? How can I make it better? Feed Forward serves as a vital element of formative assessment, offering a proactive approach to learning that allows students to continuously enhance their skills and understanding. Through the ongoing dialogue facilitated by, for example, feedback fruits or screenplay in my teaching practice, students can identify their strengths and recognize areas for improvement, ensuring their skills evolve and adapt over time. This process nurtures a learning culture in which feedback becomes an indispensable component. The most important aspect of assessment as learning in professional cooking is its emphasis on student engagement and active participation in their education. This approach encourages students to take initiative in collaborative project work, which fosters self-direction, creativity, and critical thinking. By integrating strategies like project-based learning, and I have used Ghost Kitchen, a menu from 1864 from the Grand Hotel Monte Carlo by Escoffier, digital portfolio, Google Sites or Wix, peer assessments, and reflective practices Students are not only assessed on their practical skills, but also on their ability to solve problems, work as a team, and reflect on their growth. Ultimately, this method cultivates a deeper understanding of culinary concepts and prepares students to thrive in the dynamic hospitality environment in the future. In my view, the dynamic landscape of hospitality demands a sharp capacity to assess both own performance and that of others. That is an ongoing process, allowing one to differentiate between simply successful cooks and genuinely exceptional, innovative, and creative chefs. Culinary students not only enhance their confidence in their abilities, but they also foster a deep appreciation and passion and love for culinary arts, becoming self-directed learners who continuously seek knowledge and skill development independently. Thank you very much for listening.